and welcome to this bar standing abs and core workout. Before we jump in, make sure you have a sturdy piece of furniture or a wall close by that you can use as a support for sections of this workout. I will also be using a mini exercise ball, which is completely optional. You can also substitute by using a small pillow instead. And now let's jump in. Bring your feet out wider than shoulders, toes are turned out. We'll set the tone for the workout by taking a couple deep breaths. Now take a deep inhale as you bend the knees, reach the arms up and exhale out. Again, deep inhale as you plie, reach up towards the sky and exhale. Let's do that 2 more times. Last one, deep inhale, grow tall and exhale. Take the arms out to the sides, soft bend at the knees and shift your body side to side. Reach right, back center, reach left, back center. Right and left. Your hips and lower body is staying still. You're initiating the movement from your core. Find that engagement, start to feel the connection. Feel free to use your breath and find deeper, better connection with your core with every exhale. Last one each side and get ready to bring your right hand towards your left thigh. Now reach and up, take your left hand and back up. Reach and reach. Actively pull your belly button in towards your spine as you reach the arm across. Imagine that somebody is about to punch you in your stomach. That's the feeling you want to have when you're tightening your core and pulling the belly button in. Nice, keep going. Last one each side and then we'll take both arms. Now take down and up. Cross the arms in front of your body and reach them back out. And round your spine as you cross the arms in front of your body. Final 3, 2, and 1. Head over to your support for our next exercise. Place your left hand on your support, feet are together, bend both knees and bring your right heel close into your seat. Right arm goes up and now lift your right knee, lower down, lower the arm and lift. Again, lift your knee, lower, arm comes down and up. Make sure you're lifting the knee straight out to the side, so don't shift it forward or back. And start to feel the right side of your body engage. Lift it up. Lower down, arm comes down and up. Last one here. Now combine the two. Close your body and open. Close and open. Lift the knee and lower, arm comes down and up. Last 2 full range. Last one and add a little pause. Lift, pause. Lift up, hold. Add a little reach with your right arm. Reach and hold. Reach and pause. Let's do 2 more here. Last one. Now hold it up, extend the legs straight, tap the floor, lift it up and bend the knee. Again, extend, take it down, lift it up, bring the heel in. Try not to lean over towards your support too much, but really stand up nice and tall and put all the work into your right side. Work that core, work those obliques. You're doing so good. Check in with your abs and make sure you're not letting your ribcage split open. Keep it all nice and tight. Last one full range here and we'll get into a new combination. Now extend the legs straight. Tap the toes, lift it up, reach out to the side and release. Again, toes tap, lift, reach, release. I know it's starting to burn and I'm sure that your supporting leg is screaming at you, but hang in there, we're almost out. Now lift and reach till the end. Lift, reach, lift, reach. Put it back in your core and really burn it out. Your best and final 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, stand up taller, 3, last 2, and 1. Turn yourself around and let's switch sides. Bring your right hand on your support, bend both knees and bring your left heel close into your seat. Left arm goes up and now lift your left knee up and down, arm comes down and up. Again, knee lifts, lowers, arm lowers, and lifts. Find your best form right from the beginning and keep your chest proud. Knee lifts, lowers, arm comes down and up. Check in with your core, make sure you're keeping it nice and tight. Last one here. Now take both together, lift and lower, close and open. Cinch that waistline and make sure you're lifting that knee straight out to the side. Check with your hips, both hip bones should be facing straight forward. Last one here, now add the little pause. Lift, hold, lift, pause. Reach out with your left arm and lift that knee a little higher. Stay with it, don't give up now, you know what's coming. Last one, now extend the leg straight, tap the toes, lift the leg and bring the heel in. Again, extend, lower, lift and bend. You have 4 more combinations here. And again, make sure you're not leaning towards your support. Press yourself away from it, stand up tall and put all the work in your left side. Now extend the leg straight, take it down and up, reach out to the side and back. Again, down, up, reach left and release. Last one here. And pulse it out till the end. Little lift and lift. Reach and reach. You are almost out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome work. Go ahead and grab your ball and let's move on. Bring your feet out wide with toes turned out. Now bend both knees, sink your seat down and bring the ball in front of your chest with elbows lifted. Now squeeze on the ball, release. Again, squeeze, release. As you squeeze on the ball, I want you to pay attention to activation of your core. Pull your navel in and up and wrap your core a little tighter. Last one this tempo and speed it up. Little squeeze and squeeze. Pull your abs in and pull. You have 8 more here. Find that connection and think about every muscle engagement. Final 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now extend the legs straight and we'll get into a combination. Plie as the arms go up, side bend right, back to center, extend the legs straight. Again, come down, this time side bend left, come back to center, come up. So arms go up, stay up as you side bend, and bring the ball in front of your chest. Keep going here. Find your deepest plie, your best and most controlled movement. Come down, side bend, back to center, come up. Make sure you are standing tall and keeping your spine long. You have the option to keep going like this or add a heel lift. Now come down, lift your heel as you side bend, lower the heel and extend the leg straight. Now take it to your left and extend the leg straight again. The heel lift adds a little extra work for our inner and outer thighs. Come down, side bend right, come back to center and come up. Take it to your left. Let's do one more on each side. Last one here. On the next one, come down, stay right, lift your heel and pulse it out. Little pulse and pulse. Down and down. It's a very small and controlled movement. You always have the option to drop your heel. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the heel, take it over to your left, lift the heel up and pulse it out. Little pulse and pulse. Down and down. Add a little squeeze onto that ball to engage your core. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center, option to lift both heels and squeeze on the ball. A little squeeze and squeeze. I know it burns, find your balance, engage your core, pull your belly button in. Option to add a little pulse with your seat. Little pulse and pulse. Final 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the heels, get rid of the ball, and let's stretch out our muscles. Bring your feet a little wider than shoulders. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, side bend over towards your right and bring your left arm up and over your body. Gaze up towards the sky, open up your chest. Feel free to rest your right hand on your thigh or hip. Just make sure you avoid the knee joint. Now come back to center and take it to the other side. As you exhale, side bend towards your left and bring your right arm up and over your body. Feel that nice stretch in the right side of your body. Come back to center. Clasp both hands behind your low back, extend them straight, open up your chest. Take a deep inhale here. Keep both hands connected and hinge forward from your hips. Keep the arms straight. Legs are wide. Take a deep inhale and exhale here and let the hands go and take them down to the floor. Now bend your right knee, extend your left leg straight. Feel a nice deep stretch here and take it over to the other side. Extend your right leg and bend your left knee. Your toes face forward. Again, take it over to your right and over to your left. Now extend both legs straight. Bring your feet closer, maybe hip width, maybe all the way together. And now start bending the knees. Little bend with your right and left. Bend right knee and left knee. Find the position that works best for you here. When you're ready, keep both knees bent, rest both hands on tops of your thighs, and carefully roll yourself up, leaving head very last to lift. Now take one final deep inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment and let me know how you like this workout. I will see you again next week in a brand new video.